Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Today we are going to use verb visiter. Visiter, it means to visit, to speak about the countries that we visit, and we will also add an opinion about these visits. Watch the video first. First of all, these are the different opinions. J'adore, it means I love. Je déteste, it means I hate. Je n'aime pas, it means I don't like. And j'aime, it means I like. Now that you know the opinions, where can you put verbe visiter? If you just add visiter after your opinion, you will make a very nice sentence in French. Like this one, for example. J'aime visiter la France. J'aime visiter la France. It means I like to visit France. Pourquoi? Why? So, you can extend your sentence by adding a reason or by justifying your opinion. So you have to tell me, why do you like to visit the country, or why do you hate to visit the country? So in this case, you have to start your reason with parce que c'est. Parce que c'est. It means because it is. And in this slide, you can have a lot of different reasons that you can use to complete your sentence. Can you find the meaning of these adjectives? In this slide, I'm showing you here 3 different ways to express your opinion and to justify it. If you use the first way, you don't have to use verbe visiter, you just have to put the opinion. The second way to do it is to use verbe visiter just after your opinion. And the third way to do it is without the opinion, and you just put je visite, I visit. Of course, you are free to use any of these 3 ways to express your opinion and to justify it. This is how we can extend our sentence. So to build an extended sentence, we need these 4 parts. The first part is the opinion. The second part is the object, and this object should be the city or the country. And then we have the third part, which is the connective. And the connective here is the word parce que, because, parce que. And the final part is the reason. And here you have to put, of course, different adjectives. Look at the next slides to have more examples of these extended sentences. This is the challenge time now. So you have to choose, of course, one of the crowns. If you choose the blue crown, so you have to put the words in the right order to make sentences. If you choose the white crown, in this case, you will have to translate the sentences into French. If you choose the red crown, you will have to make 5 sentences about different countries that you like or you don't like to visit. And please remember to add a reason using parce que c'est, because it is, and then an adjective. Good luck. Au revoir.